Amazing Grace is a Kinder Joy egg for the boys. Yay! Hello, what's up, guys? It's Percy once again for another amazing and stupendous and awe-inspiring Percy's Fast Food Toy Story for today. And once again, this is another Kinder Joy egg, colored blue for the boys, obviously. And so, without further ado, let us try to crack open this egg. Ta-da! The gold foil obviously is for the chocolate, and then the other one with a spoon comes with a surprise, a toy, most likely a toy that is for the boys. Okay, let's open it up. Dun, ta, da, dun. Okay, what is this? And then there is once again a pamphlet containing instructions on how to play the toy, and then there is also this fine visuals. Okay, so let's see. So this is actually a bird. Okay, I think in high school I kind of made something like this, something similar. It balances the image, and yeah, it's quite amazing. Yeah, I was able to impress a lot of my classmates when we were able to do that for our science project. So I think the principle is basically the same. How does this? Wait. So the bird, this is a bird, and then we put in this. Okay, I think that's it. And then we put the other wings there, keep them secure in the hole. Yeah, I think it looks like a bird. Okay, so basically this is it. And then we have a base here. And then once we're able to put it here, the beak. Let's see if we can use a base here. Then there you go. Isn't it great? It balances because the wings are actually balanced, so they create an equilibrium or something. Yeah, it will stay there for a while. I think what we did before was a character, and it has these two marbles on both ends, and it actually stood there even if the tip of the base is so small. It actually stayed there and balances itself. And since it was such a novelty back then, I was able to impress a lot of my classmates. They said, "Well, it's so magical. It's magical, just like this one." Okay, especially if it's for the first time that you saw this particular principle, this particular contraption. It is, I must say, is very impressive. Okay, so there's our bird. And like I always say, this is just an amazing grace. Great toy. Okay, once again, guys, let us try to be thankful for everything that comes into our lives, every amazing grace that comes into our lives, be they in the form of a bird that balances itself so amazingly, even on the tip of a very, very small base, and everything that comes into our lives that makes our lives a lot more happy and jolly. So that is why I'm thanking you. I'm very thankful for you guys for tuning in to Percy's Fast Food Toy Story. So until our next Fast Food Toy Story, bye bye. So TTFN, as Tigo would say. Ta-ta for now, and see you again for our next Percy's Fast Food Toy Story. Bye bye.